In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to go live without 1000 followers. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers? Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Now click on report a problem. Now you can see here a lot of options will appear. Now you have to click on account and profile. You have to click on manage profile and now editing profile. Click on others. Now you have to click need more help. Here you have to write your problem that I cannot go live because I don't have 1000 problem. Please fix this problem. I want to be live on TikTok. Then you will get notification that problem will be resolved by the TikTok team. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.